Angeba Sojola here. In this video, we'll be basically discussing a technology known as the Distributed Ledger Technology, or DTL. Now, let's start with an L, right? Now, if you had a business in the 1960s in South Africa, right, you recorded all your transactions, or rather, all your money into the business or money out of the business on a book known as a ledger, right? This book had all the transaction that your business had for the year or for the 5 terms or whatever, right? So a ledger is a database. It is a place where you record transactional data, right? Now let us look at the distributed. When you distribute something, you share it, right? You replicate it, and you make sure that it is synchronized so that any participant in the network can have these documents or this information available. So now, a distributed ledger technology is a type of database, right, that is shared, replicated, and synchronized between a large number of participants, right, who are positioned or located in a vast area of geographies, right? Now, when there's one participant who changes, for example, a Google document, right? Now, these changes are reflected, right? They are copied and then they are distributed to other participants in the network, right? Now, an example of the use of distributed ledger technology is, for example, in a bank, right? Let's say you want to access your financial statement and you are somewhere in Musina, right? Let's say you want to access your financial statement from Standard Bank, right? Now you go to an ATM and then you request that financial statement and then you get it. But you can do the very same thing, right, in an ATM in Cape Town or in Eastern Cape or in Johannesburg, right? Because banks use this distributed ledger technology, right? Your financial statement is where your transactions are recorded, right? And the fact that you can access it in any standard bank all around the country is testimony to the fact that it is distributed, right? The same thing can happen, for example, on Facebook, right? Or access to internet, right? Let's say I access internet from a internet cafe in Johannesburg. I alter certain things there, right? Maybe an assignment, right? Now, if I go to Cape Town and step into a internet cafe again, I can access this changed document because the bank uses a distributed ledger technology. This can happen also on Facebook, right? All the people who are your friends, right, can see every time you change your status, right? And when you change your status, it is reflected, shared, and then synchronized in such a way that other participants in the network or the social media, right, have access to the same record without any alteration, right? So basically, this is distributed ledger technology. Now, when I look at and understand distributed ledger technology versus the blockchain is a type of distributed ledger technology. So the blockchain did not introduce the distributed ledger technology. It existed way long before the blockchain technology existed, right? So basically, What I'm saying is that the distributed ledger technology is a tree, right? And then blockchain is a branch of that tree. So I think I've summarized the distributed ledger technology, and thank you for this opportunity. I'll see you on the next video.